ladies and gentlemen, and as always, thank you for watching. Today we've got trying to help out a local organization, one that's close to my heart. They're doing a fundraiser, and we thought we'd bring the Rotator up. It's KICS, Kids in Christian Karate School, trying to help pay their insurance. They do not charge for kids to go into karate school. They teach them and they also give them a Christian background, which is, as most of my viewers know, is near and dear to my heart. I'm also a third-degree black belt in Taekwondo, so have a lot in common. And one of the instructors works with my wife, so we come out to help support them. I thought we'd bring the big truck up and let them have at it.
Right through here. Come here. Look at this.
It's a big truck. There's a lot to do. Just be careful, guys. You should have seen these kids' faces light up when this truck showed up and I turned on the sirens and honked the horn. It was just, they were excited. They were arguing over who got to wash it, and then they found out they all got to wash it, so that was kind of cool. I wish you'd seen their faces when I drove up. It was like, whoa! Do we get to watch that?
They said that she said they were excited because she honked the horn for them and everything.
I do have some bracelets in there.
That's quite the job.
Uh-huh.
Keep going, Miss Ford!
This is not normally how we wash the truck. But it's for a good cause. Okay, my wife, Mrs. Pratt, off camera. Do you want to tell a little bit about Miss Perkins and the group?
Mrs. Perkins, the one with the white visor on, working her tail off. She is the special needs teacher at Scott City High School. She teaches grades 9 through 12. And she also, along with her sons and a few other people, do free karate 2 to 3 nights a week for anybody interested. It's Christian Karate Group.
And it's at no cost, right?
No cost to the families. Donations, of course, are always accepted. That's why they do this car wash twice a year. The insurance they have to pay to do the free karate costs quite a bit. So twice a year they gather here and do 2 car washes to pay for that.
Miss Perkins, I can open the hood. Miss Perkins, I can open the hood, yes.
Okay.
Yep. Well, Donna, you want to hold that?
She is an amazing lady for sure. Very giving. Just made quite an impression on me.
Watch out, guys. I'm going to open the hood.
Too bad my car didn't do that.
It's a car wash, you gotta have fun. I can spin that around, make it easier for you to walk on there. You sure?
If you want to rotate it, you're more welcome to. If not, it's up to you. Your choice.
I just don't want anybody getting hurt.
Yeah, we're good without it. Yeah. I'm just going to watch the top of the rotator, and that's about it.
Okay.
It's a nice truck.
Thank you. Miss Perkins? Miss Perkins? Since there are children in the video, is that going to be an issue? No? No issues?
No issues.
Okay, all right.
I guess no issues.
Okay. Because we'll try to help promote you guys too, and I just don't. Oh yeah, yeah. We take a pressure washer to the engine too, so you don't have to do that. But
No, I'm just afraid. I want to make sure you're all right.
no, you're fine. You're fine. Thank you. Kids are having a blast.
This group has some phenomenal leadership with the adults. They model Christian behavior, good choices. They hold the kids accountable. It's a real tight group.
Look at him up there on his stomach even.
Oh, goodness. They don't do anything halfway.
I was gonna say I
They're
need.
gonna do it. They're gonna do it right. That's part of the mission. Is you follow through and you do things right.
I'm impressed. Even the little ones have hopped in, just excited as they could be to be doing it. I've got the step ladder, but I think the kids are using it.
Yeah. I can manage. It's just a bit of a stretch.
Looks like I've got your line backed up.
Okay, got it? Okay.
It's probably the best watch that thing's ever had.
It looks good. I'll probably have to move it forward here in a minute. If they didn't have people waiting, I've got bracelets for all the kids. We may have to wait till they get done with a couple more vehicles because I know they're on a time crunch. But
An amazing
here,
job on
you
that.
want to hold it, and I'll get the.
Yeah. Mr. Pratt handing out Lifting You Up Midwest Truck silicone bracelets to all the kiddos. It is a huge pleasure to see children with such great work ethics. Way to go, parents. This little guy down here getting that rag all soapy, keeping his bracelet on. He's a hard worker. Here comes another little guy.
Yep, as soon as everybody's down.
Everybody wants their picture with the big rotator.
Anytime you get a little pop it down here. I can leave the hood. Well, I will. Well, if I get this, we're good. All right, yeah, I'll stay center line for you. Let me get it fired up. You just give me a signal. Okay, guys, don't watch everything. The whole thing.
line backed up, so me guys are going to finish drying it off and shining it up, and we appreciate everything everyone does at Kicks Karate.
Do you want all this wiped off? Or you can be all right with that? I got most of your chrome and everything.
Well, there she sits all shined up. Man, they did a wonderful, wonderful job, and we don't mind supporting their cause. So anyway, as always, thank you for watching, and God bless.